matter where I go in the world, I always come back home to Ireland. And Gleann Cholm Cille is definitely one of my favourite places here. The scenery, for example, is just amazing. But what mostly makes this region special is the presence of the Irish language and culture. They really flourish along with beautiful traditions. One of these traditions is, of course, Irish dancing. I signed up to the Language and Culture Week at Gaeltacht, and one of their cultural courses includes teaching traditional set and other style of dances. For the language aspect, we had interactive classes in the morning tailored to our particular levels in Irish. It was a great chance to be able to practice with others. The people you meet at the course are what really makes it special, and each one of them has their own story of why they're here.
So, Jessica, cén far bhfuil tú ag fáil Gaeilge anseo?
Anseo, well, tá staidir Gaeilge chláiste, tá chláiste freibil máine clia agus bhálam bheith ina múntóir bunsco, so tá just anseo chun chuig Gaeilge a dhéobhsú agus a clachtú.
Cén far bhfuil tú anseo?
Tá anseo mar is máil ó Gaeilge.
Cén sais duine a bhíon i rang gach bliain?
Gná scoláirí agus ní dónam go mín is a cogad í go dagan siad cad a bheits a siúlagam agus bíonn siad cúlach agus sin píosa de beidir ná deann tú rúí sa rang nach na tú go ná agus bhaid tú tanabas bhí gach aine gcóir sin príomh.
In the evenings, we had some outstanding music and singing performances from traditional musicians from the region and from around the country. A lot of the cultural aspect of the week also included learning how to play the instruments ourselves. But the music, or ceol as we like to say, would not be complete without the crack. So each evening we would all go down to the village's local pubs. But sadly, our amazing week together had to come to an end.
So, Liam, tá muid críochanna leis an seach an teangaigh cultúr agus bhí an crack agin, so cad ceapan tú faoin seachtain sin?
Bhí se ceap go sí hinnta céim sláánna a go luachtain tá sí go leháil.
Oh, right, okay.
Bhí seachta go hinnta agus bhí airastá chun a déine go léir go hinnta. Tá máidjin anna brónach dúirt a gachú.